All right, we got the hood off to make our lives easier because it's 4 bolts. Scotty, what have you found?
Well, we're getting ready to take the loose stuff off so we're not causing any damage, make sure we're as proper as we can possibly be, which is really funny coming from someone like me, but whatever. Got the AC compressor ready to slide up out of the way so we can pull the motor out, and I'm like, all right, well, let me grab this one particular one, and I went, well, that seems really loose, and sure as shit, it's sucking air.
Nice. Well, that will make it not want to run, right?
So we've got sucking air, and I don't know if y'all can see that.
Yeah, the yucky poo-poo.
Yeah, that's just atrocious at best.
We've done that one a while now. Yeah, so AC brackets coming out. Motor mount on the driver's side doesn't even have a nut on it. Reaching under here for one on the passenger side, yes, there is.
Okay.
That's going to be fun to get out. Yeah, I got to get down here. I got to get to the other side of these so I can undo those bolts. These are already out, as you can see. Problem solved. So this thing will be coming out in a second.
Done.
Oh, you got throw linkage already. Yeah, you're good. All right, off we go. Ooh, carbony.
It's got 4 holes. Yay!
All right. Got a little bit of electrical there in coil land. And then pop goes the weasel, eh? All right. Crane's ready, lift plate's ready. I know we have to undo the nut on that side, but I'd like to at least get it kind of up and moving. So Scotty, will you jack off on camera? You're like, yeah.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus.
There we go.
It's like
Everybody's tired today. This has just been a day from hell.
miserable day. But we're on it.
Yes, we're just, I think we got, what, maybe
nut.
2 bolts total?
And
And the linkage for
pin
the
down there for the pedal.
accelerator.
Yeah,
So-
but I want to get it up a little bit to get under there because it's easier.
Okay.
So let's go. It's gonna lift the car a little bit, but it needs to lift the motor too.
I would say watch it lift
There it goes.
lift the car, but not the
Oh, and this, we already said this about this mount. It's blown out and didn't have any nuts on it anyway.
Yeah, just completely, utterly shot.
So that, we have to undo the nut on that side.
Okay, now we can get a really, really good view of that.
Ooh,
Oops, sorry, fingers got in the way.
And when pop goes the weasel, and the weasel goes, yeah, that was fucking
Utterly destroyed.
It's hurt.
Utterly, I swear to God, utterly. If I can say that one more damn time, I
Like moo cow udder?
Yeah, well, there's a difference between utter and, but whatever floats your boat.
Let's check this side real quick. That's the one we gotta undo.
And
We gotta get in there and undo that. But other than that, we're there.
you can't eat, well, yeah, can you see?
It's there.
Yeah, it's there. It's playing hide and seek with us.
Yeah, we gotta get the nut off of it and then it's done.
We gotta bust a nut.
Well, anything in a day's work, I guess.
This is true, but it's got some really, really good things on it. I like the gears for the
That's factory too.
timing, which is super, super cool.
Yeah, these cars are awesome like that. Studebaker didn't F around.
No, they didn't, from what we can figure.
Okay.
Bobby's gonna try and get the compressor out of the way a little bit so he can get his hands in there.
There's a nut right there.
Can you get to it or no?
I should be able to get to it. Are the trans cooler lines still on the block?
Not that I'm aware of.
Oh, we should be okay then. Maybe we'll get
Of course, we'll double check just to make sure everything's perfect.
I'll crawl under there, but we'll get this. It's like a 5/8 and we'll get it. And
Yeah, exactly.
out she comes.
I'll tell you, boys and girls,
There we go.
we got a little bit left to go, and we'll show pictures as this bad boy comes out, because we're gonna build more power.
No, we're just gonna reseal it.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
that. Well, that too.
Make a mess of it.
All right, night out. See ya.
I said I'll video you jack off.
Oh shit! Well, why didn't you tell me? Fuck, I'm good at that.
On video?
Hey, I'm not saying the internet hasn't seen all my junk, but the internet's seen all my junk.
Coming soon to an OnlyFans near you. It's Scotty.
Oop,
Okay,
catch that. I don't wanna.
are
I'm
we
hearing
hitting?
clickety clickety.
What are we hitting?
AC compressor.
Yeah, hold on. There's also
What else do we have? Did we forget something? Okay, we got the linkage.
trans dipstick tube.
That should be disconnected.
There's some, oh, this trans isn't even here. There's some chromey thingy cover here that's coming off.
Chromey womy. It's going jiggly jiggly.
Yep. There we go. Come here, you fucking bastard. Alright, that's up and out of our
No,
way.
it's a gender neutral thing that shines.
Oh my god. Oh, Scotty. Okay, so I reckon.
Just let me know when I can start jacking off again.
Well, if you can reload quick enough, go ahead. Go. There it goes. It's gonna roll past the compressor.
Well, I don't want to damage the compressor at all.
The one that's getting replaced. We're just sitting on the tab. We gotta get the compressor out of here. Scotty,
Hey!
we got it. It's out.
It's a little tiny motor and it's a coming out.
Alright. She's officially out. She's dangling.
Okay, boys and girls. This is not how you run transmission lines.
No, this is
You
some
just
ghetto.
don't do that.
This is some ghetto-ness. Because look, they had fittings. These aren't the correct lines.
No, not at all. And we can do that in a couple of minutes, get them ran properly. Looks like plugs are newer.
Spark plugs are damn near brand new. They're
Yeah.
auto lights with the new style auto light lettering.
Yep.
These freeze plugs. Oh my god. This is one of the reasons why.
They're scalloped and rough and they're just nasty. Time to spank them. I mean, get them out.
Whoa. Oil pan. It's...
I don't think there's any part of this engine that's not leaking.
Look-
Being honest.
Look at that pan rail. It's seen better days.
Oh,
by
many,
whoever
many a
did
day.
this.
Let's do a quickie. Hold on.
So the passenger side motor mount was intact.
So for those of you playing the home game, that has been replaced.
And it's
Now,
decently...
come this way, gentlemen.
Oh, yuck.
I mean, this has been leaking for a really long time. But this is why we say, John, or Bob or Bill, you know your name, you know who you are. That's all that matters, right? This is, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the car, I do. But it needs TLC.
Look at that pan.
Man, did we? I mean,
Holy shit.
that rear main seal, you're lucky you have an engine, dude. Like, seriously.
Rear main seal. Cocked.
Okay, is it just me, or is it the exact same one on the other side that's, you know, concocted?
The middle one's the worst one on the other side. But yeah,
And these are,
done.
they're good. I mean, we'll replace them, but
I'm gonna place them.
this is
that
what we're...
motor mount is done. That one didn't even have a nut on it anymore.
Yeah, it blew its nut and said, no, I'm done, I'm good.
No.
I'm going to go to sleep permanently.
I got these loose because we'd have to do valve adjustment too, so
Right.
we're ready there. But we're dangling. Little clean up, little tidy up, little replace all kinds of leaky nonsense.
Now, we'll get a hold of John and ask what he wants us to do about this mess. Look at the bottom half of this, if you can see this easier in the tunnel.
Oh yeah, you can see
The oil has just been
yeah.
all over the place.
Needs to be cleaned out for sure.
Yeah.
I'll have to bring
And
the pressure washer over.
now you can totally see
Yep, all your bushings.
all the bushings need to be done. And
Toast.
control arm bushings.
Hold on, I'm coming around. Oh yeah,
That, I mean, that's gone.
it's done skis, buddy.
And there we go.
Yep.
All right, so we'll have to get a hold of John and let him know and see what he wants to do.
Look at all the caked up schmutz here in the cross, remember?
Oh yeah, the schmegma's all over the place.
Schmegma.
And for those of you playing the home game, that's a Jewish word for shit. French, it's merde.
Wow. Did you just give us a lesson today?
We did, boys and girls. Now tomorrow, if you're really good, we'll work on colors.
Ooh.
Numbers will be next week,
Well, this is a poopy mess, but
to say the least. But we're getting it there, and she's going to be beautiful when we're done.
And you know what? While we're doing the steering, when it's apart, that ram, we can send that out and get that done too.
From what I know, you can buy a steering dampener for next to nothing.
Oh, that's hydraulic. That's not a dampener. That's an actual hydraulic ram that runs.
Oh,
off the
it's actual
control
hydraulic
valve.
fluid that
Yes.
runs in it with lines?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
So we'll get that probably redone too. Just want John to watch everything so he knows.
And John, if you're watching, I promise we're taking care of your baby. We're gonna make her right. We have the technology. We'll make it stronger, faster. Oh, wait a minute. That was my ex-wife.
Forgot
Was that my
harder.
ex-boyfriend? I don't friggin' know.
You forgot harder, because it's always got to be harder.
No, that's the song Satisfaction. Look it up. I think you'll like it.
All right. Anyway. Yep. So that's out. That baby's going on the stand. The motor, not the Scotty.
Yeah, the last time I did a good stand, well, you know, hey,
Well.
I think I broke a hip.
Oh shit. All right. All right. She's on a stand. Tomorrow we're gonna pull a pan. Probably get the valve covers off too. Kind of check and see what else we have around here. See what's going on. And we will. Yeah, there's the car being pretty. We will carry on.